I'm not sure if you remember me, but I live in the apartment a couple of doors down. Yeah, I thought you would, but I just felt kind of awkward assuming that. I mean, we talk sometimes, but it's usually just when we pass each other in the hall, so I just wanted to make sure. I'm sorry to bug you so late in the evening, but I'm kind of in the middle of a situation. I was hoping that you'd be willing to help me. So, I actually kind of locked myself out of the apartment, and my roommate's not going to be home until tomorrow morning. I wanted to ask if I could stay here with you, just for a little bit, please? Oh my god, thank you so much. Wow, it's really warm in here. It's really nice. Oh, no, I wasn't outside for too long. Probably just, an hour and a half. I may have forgotten my keys at the gym. Well, they were getting ready to close for the night, and I didn't want to make them stay late, so I left as soon as I could. I guess I forgot my keys because I was so focused on making sure I had everything else. Nope, since it's the gym down the street, I usually just walk unless the weather is really terrible. Yeah, I didn't realize it was supposed to be a storm like this. I thought it was supposed to be a light rain, which I actually like walking in. This is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. I was completely soaked in less than a minute. Huh? Oh shit, I'm so sorry. I'm getting water everywhere. Do you have a towel I can use or something I can borrow to dry off with? Yeah, that sounds great. I'll grab one. Oh, is it the bathroom down the hall over here? I figured. I think we have the same floor plan. Alright, I'm gonna go dry off so I don't ruin your carpet. I'll be right back. Ugh, that's better. Sorry again for getting water everywhere. Oh yeah, my clothes are still wet, but it's alright. It's not like I can go home and change them at this point. I mean, yeah, it's cold, but I don't mind it too much. It's nothing I can't handle. What? I mean, you want me to... Sorry, you kind of caught me off guard there. I'm pretty bad at picking up jokes. You're not joking. You really think it would be a good idea for me to take my shirt off? I mean, it would be warmer than wearing soaking wet clothes, but are you sure? Borrowing your clothes seems like it would be... I don't know. I feel like it would be taking too much from you. I mean, you're already letting me stay here for the night. I don't mean to ask for more than I already have. You really wouldn't mind? Are you sure? Alright, I mean, if you're sure, then yeah, that'd be great. I'd love to borrow one of your shirts. Sure, let me just take this off. Is there somewhere you'd like me to put it? Oh yeah, if you want to toss it in the dryer, that'd be really nice. Thank you, I appreciate that. I'll just wait here. Do you mind if I sit on the couch? Alright, then I'll just wait for you here. Oh, thank you. Let me just put this on real quick. It's pretty comfortable, but it's a little snug. I'm worried I might stretch it out a bit. Are you sure you don't mind? Alright, if you're sure. Here, let me scoot over a bit so you have some room to sit down too. Yeah, sure. I mean, it'd be pretty rude of me to kick you off your own couch. Much easier to talk to you when you're sitting next to me too. What to talk about? That is a good question. Let me think on that for just a minute. Oh, how about this? Do you rescue forgetful guys from the rain often? Or am I just particularly cute when I'm a sopping wet mess? What can I say? I'm curious. I just want to know if you do this for all the cute strangers that you see who are hopelessly locked out of their apartment, or is it because I'm too cute to resist? Nope, I only flirt this much when I'm nervous. Well, of course I'm nervous. This is my first time in your apartment, and I don't want to mess it up. Because I really like talking to you, and I want to, get to know you more. But this is definitely not what I pictured when I imagined my first time in your apartment to be like. I don't know. I was thinking something a bit less, wet. Honestly, I was thinking it'd be something kind of cute. Maybe something like me accidentally getting some of your mail and bringing it to you, so we'd end up talking and getting lunch together. I mean, it'd be better than me interrupting your movie and getting water everywhere while begging you to spend the night. I think almost anything would be better than this. I don't know. I was hoping to be a bit more smooth. Wanted to dress up a bit, bring you flowers. I wanted to woo you a bit. That kind of does sound like asking you on a date, huh? Well, maybe there's a reason for that. Yeah, I'm saying that I want to ask you out on a date. Was it that obvious? It's like I said, I really like talking to you, and I think it'd be nice to get to know you more. Doesn't help that you're so cute that I get weak in the knees every time I see you. Yes, every single time. What are you talking about? You look fantastic when you're getting the mail in your old flannel pants and ratty tank top. Well, I beg to differ. I think you look incredibly dateable when you're a mess. Is that so? You think I'm a dateable mess too? Am I even more dateable now that I'm wearing your shirt? Yeah? Then, if I were to ask you on a date right now, what are the chances you'd say yes? Depends on the date. How about we watch movies together while there's a terrible thunderstorm outside and I'm locked out of my apartment? Why not? What better time for a first date than right now? We're already here. I'm in your apartment, wearing your clothes, and I'm gonna be here until the morning. I think that having a movie marathon while sharing blankets and snacks sounds like a perfect first date. Well then, come here and bring that blanket with you. The first thing you're gonna learn about me tonight is that I like cuddling, especially when I'm cold. The second thing? Then what was the first thing? Is that right? So you really like the way I look in your clothes, huh? Am I that cute? Am I cute enough to kiss? Then why don't you? this isn't how I expected our first date to go, but I'm pretty happy it is. Because I've wanted to kiss you for a while now. Well, if you want to kiss me too, then I say we should keep kissing. Hey, why don't we turn a movie on real quick? Just so we can say it's a movie date, even if we don't watch it. Perfect. Now, kiss me again, because I'm much more interested in you than any movie.